Welcome to today's video. Today we are cooking some chicken for lunch, and I know it's gonna taste so good. So me and my cousin are, doing a vlog about it. So let's get started. As you can see, she's vlogging too. So make sure you subscribe to her and comment to her videos and like her videos. I am going to put her name down below in the description type thing. So yeah, we're just making some chicken, because we're hungry. Here's the batter. Look at that chicken, it looks so crispy. So, yeah, we are about to eat. So, we just all things we can do. So, comment down below, what you want our videos to be about. You want them to be about reacting to your music feeds, your Facebook pictures, your Instagram, your Snapchat pictures. Just comment down below what you want our videos to be about, smash your past, or never have I ever, truth or dare, life hacks, anything, or how to make time. We can do that too. So just comment down below, and we'll do what you want us to do. So bye.